everyone, this is Ben coming to you with your tip of the week. In this week's tip, we're going to cover lag putting. Lag putting can be any putt between 20 and 50 feet in which we have to cross numerous different types of terrain, uphill, downhill, side hill, and get it close to the hole as best we can. So let's cover a few of those techniques that we're going to use to hit high quality lag putts here. The first technique we'll cover here is tempo. And tempo is probably the most important thing that we can do to control the speed of a lag putt. I like to think of the tempo of my putt to be about 85 to 86 beats per minute. And I can use a metronome app on my phone or simply verbalize that pace when I'm hitting the putt. So I like to set up to hit the putt and I say to myself, 1, 2, 1, 2. And try to keep that tempo back and through. 1, 2, 1, 2. If you match that tempo on long putts, mid-range putts, and short putts, you'll have no problem gauging the speed once you get out to that 30, 40, and 50-foot range. Often we have a putt that is long enough to have more than one simple break, or the putt breaks so much that it's difficult to read it, like a shorter putt. In this case, try walking roughly halfway to the hole on the line of the putt and take a few practice strokes. This will help you find the line and the speed much more effectively. Once you've done that, go back to your ball, finish your routine, and stroke it. The next technique we'll really focus on is ball position. And ball position is very important when it comes to putting. It can affect the face angle of the putter as well as how far down or up we hit on the ball. This allows the ball to roll properly if we're placing the ball in the correct position. When I hit normal putts of shorter length, maybe 15 to 10 feet, I like to place the ball just barely ahead of center in my stance. But when I hit longer putts, I want that ball position further forward. I need to ensure that the ball gets up on top of the grass and starts rolling properly right off the start of the putt. So if I'm normally in the middle of my stance on a shorter putt, I'll simply bump that ball position forward just inside my front foot and then make sure from there that I keep the same tempo we talked about earlier. And that ball will come off nice and smooth off the putter face and get on top of the grass and start rolling. The final topic we'll cover is, do we leave the flag in or do we take the flag out when we're hitting longer lag putts? Normally, I like to take the flag out. It allows me to see the hole better and I hit better putts. But when it comes to longer putting, I often will leave the flag stick in just in case I have too much pace on the putt that I'm trying to hit. So I'm going to hit a long putt here and I'm going to leave that flag in. Excuse me, can you leave the flag in? You slayed a dragon? No, leave the flag in. My pants are sagging? Just leave the flag in. So just remember, give that long putt a second look by walking about halfway up the length of the putt. Move that ball forward in your stance just slightly. Leave that pin in and make a nice smooth rhythmic stroke and you'll hit much better lag putts the next time you play.